Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show document outline on a Google Docs application on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Docs application, and then I'm going to open one of the document I have here. For instance, I'm going to open up this document, and I'm going to show you how we can show the document outline guys. But wait, I'm going to view it in light theme. I'm going to select view in light theme. Okay, and to show the document outline, we can click on the three dots on the top right, and then we just need to select document outline. Okay, but as you can see guys, that there is no headings yet, so I need to add heading. You can only show the document outline after you add heading to your text. And I'm going to select the tags I want to add heading. We can click on this A icon, and then we're going to select the heading. Click on normal tags. Now the text is in the normal mode, and then I'm going to apply heading 1, for example. Okay, and then I'm going to add heading 2. I'm just going to jump into the conclusion. Wait. Okay, I'm going to add heading right here. Okay, we can select the text and then go to the A icon, and then you can choose heading that you want. For instance, I'm going to choose heading 4. Okay, and then if you want to show the document outline, we just need to go back to these three dots and then select the document outline. Okay, and this is the document outline on my Google Docs. Okay, and I think I'm going to add one more heading, but wait, I'm going to select random text. For example, this one. We just need to click on add heading. Right here, I'm going to add heading 4. Okay, and let's see the document outline. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to show document outline in Google Docs on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.